Holly! Hey, Holly! Holly's green.
Couldn't have gotten a better spot on that one.
Video. Holly! Yeah, he's way up high.
Try to hit it with your other arm, Holly. Turn around and hit it the other way. Yay, good job!
You.
Alright, Kendall, go show her husband. Alright, Holly, let Kendall do it.
But then Mommy that.
Come on, bud.
I'm a bus. Ha.
Use the other one. Use the lighted ball.
Yeah, like this.
But I know, but try the other one just to show that.
I don't have it.
Where's the other ball, Holly? Let Kendall use this one.
No.
Here, let him use it one time.
No.
Yes.
My ball. My ball.
Just send it down there without it lit and see if he can make it light up.
Wait.
Wait.
Okay.
His eye itches.
Not my fault you're a machine. Concentrate on that. Oh.
His head's sweaty too.
I was watching your eyes. I wasn't watching where I was throwing it.
Uh-oh.
Ready?
He just needs to learn how to skate.
Any coordination problems.
Oh.
Hand-eye coordination.
Can I get her?
Throw it to his feet.
What's this? What's that?
Watch out, Aristotle.
Go kick.
Kendall, can you turn around and do it with your other arm?
Can you backhand it?
Turn around and do it the other way. There you go.
It's a bumpy ice.
Now that mine.